It's Friday the 1st of May 2020. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is not theme park news in a minute. This is Dan Does Something Stupid for a minute. Let's get cracking. Paper heart in a minute. Timer starts now. Okay. No time to waste. No time to waste. Okay. Okay. We've got our little house. And we fold up these bits. One and two. We fold in the side bits. One and two. Flip it over. Fold up the bottom, doesn't really matter where, fold down the top, fold this bit up and then insert it, fold this bit up and then insert it, fold this bit down and then wrap it underneath, fold this bit down and wrap it underneath, and done! Yeah! Thanks for watching me trying to make a heart in a minute. We'll be back on Sunday with a very old storybook that I'm going to read you, so tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at themeparknut, on Instagram, themeparknut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers!